I did want a strong nicotine hit tonight. And Old Dark Fire does that for me. Tends to. Matter of fact, I'm doing something I rarely do. At least lately. I figure Dark Fired Kentucky. Something from Kentucky. Yeah. Not a bad combo at all. And for the record, that is Weller Special Reserve. To be honest with you, you know what? Why don't you come a little closer? I'm over here nearly whispering. Should probably bring you in a little bit. To be honest with you, it's been kind of a rough week. Life is good. Don't get me wrong. But I've been cursed by a refrigerator. Yeah. Seems silly. And I hope I can recognize it as silly at some point. But our fridge stopped working. And we are renting a townhouse. And all the food in there is going bad. Luckily, my neighbors are kind, and they had some extra room in their fridge and freezer, so we were able to put some of our stuff over there. Property management company was not super quick to get on it. So far, we've lost over $350 worth of food. And apparently in my lease, it's specified that if I lose food because of a broken refrigerator, they are not responsible. Put in an insurance claim for our renter's insurance, and apparently there's a $500 deductible, so doesn't cover that. And then on top of the financial loss, there's been a lot of lost time and energy and happiness dealing with this logistically and coordinating with people, arguing and communicating. It's been very unpleasant. But at the end of the day, we're going to be fine. So I need to let it go, move on. And I'm hoping my friend here might be able to aid in that process. And apparently I'm also just trying to do everything possible to get this video flagged. What else could I do? Talk about something controversial. I have no interest in controversy. So that's not going to happen. A couple of my videos have been flagged recently on account of the tobacco. And when you go to watch them, it'll stop you and say, this content might not be suitable for viewers under 18. I don't know. Are you allowed to smoke tobacco if you're under 18? No. Do you sometimes see people smoking tobacco when you're under 18? Yes. Am I encouraging young people to smoke tobacco? I'm not trying to. I certainly don't want them to. Not until they're of age. I'm just hanging out. shooting the shit with you. I don't know. It's not like I'm ever planning on being monetized or anything, so I guess it doesn't matter in the long run. But it's interesting, the things that get flagged. I really like the sound of my lighter right now. I just replaced the flint, so get a nice crackle every time I light it. It's a beautiful thing. The last video I did, sitting, hanging out, chit-chatting, I was talking about thankfulness. I need to remember that. I need to remember to be thankful. Especially when a man's refrigerator breaks, does he need to remember to be thankful? I'm thankful for my new flint. I am thankful for the time I have right now, getting off work a little bit earlier than usual so that I can hang out with you, smoke this pipe, drink this bourbon, and still have time to get to bed at a decent hour. I am thankful for my chair. It is very comfortable right now. And for this dope-ass jacket, because it makes me feel like a real freaking hero. In this moment, I'm thankful for the birds and their song. I'm thankful for the squirrels that have been running back and forth outside of my townhome and entertaining me here and there. I gotta be careful. Old Dark Fired. It'll get me. I need to smoke slowly and consciously. The fact that I'm mixing bourbon with it is delicious, but dangerous. I'm thankful for you hanging out with me, making sure I don't overdo it. The city's quiet is relative. Right now it's quiet for being downtown where we are. But it's not really very quiet, is it? There's always cars. Often at least one neighbor voice. Though I'll admit, as I continue to get to know my neighbors, there's some comfort there. These are my people. Still need to throw a get together. Fiesta Friday. That is the plan. I just need to choose a date, make some flyers, and deliver them. See if we can't all hang out in the courtyard and drink margaritas and eat carne asada. Overhearing the conversation my neighbor's having on the phone. He's dealing with a lot more than a broken fridge. So that is something to consider. What's going on with you? Are you having a good week? Are you dealing with anything? Are things going well for you? Are you smoking with me? And if so, what are you smoking? Let's see if I can remember the model of my pipe. The easy part to remember is this is the Friday Savinelli, made famous by Matches 860. I think it's a Savinelli 673 Luchite. Let me see. That's on here. Oh, it's so dark. Did I get it right? Hold on. I gotta know. If I finally memorized the name of this thing. Yeah, 673. That's the one. Nailed it. I'm still alive. That's something to be thankful for. As far as I know, I'm healthy. Gotta get to the rock climbing gym tomorrow morning. Make sure I stay healthy. I really took it for granted when I was younger, but the benefits of exercise are paramount. The physical manifestation of health is very obvious. And for sure, that's a good thing. But what it does for my mental health, that is really the ticket. I feel good about me, and I feel clear. And everything when I'm exercising regularly. Everything is a little bit less daunting. And that's almost like a magic trick, you know? I'm not exercising every day, but I've been trying to go to the climbing gym 3 days a week. And I would like to get back into every day. It does become harder with a kid, no doubt. Luckily, it's not impossible. I have a window. Six to 7 in the morning. But if I stay up too late, then I wake up too late, and I miss my window. And that's it. I know what you're thinking. Hey, man. What about these times that you're sitting here smoking? Well, these are not consistent times for me. I got off work early tonight, so taking advantage. Sometimes I'll have an hour or two on the weekend where I'm not working and my wife's home, so I don't have to watch the kid. So I take advantage. And I would argue that this relaxation is also important for my mental health. Granted, I could probably get similar and possibly healthier benefits from taking a walk. But I love my pipe. So that's what I'm doing. I hope you understand. I'm guessing you do. Yeah. I am already beginning to sink into my chair. Got that familiar vacation feeling. And I'm getting a little bit loose from the addition of the bourbon. This blend always gets me. I believe that's one of the reasons that I've had this tin for like 8 months or something. Pretty sure it's been about 8 months. Really have to be prepared for a bowl of Old Dark Fired. And damn, is it good. And I recently ordered another tin to cellar. I think moving forward, I'll be buying 2 or 3 tins at a time. Always cellaring 1 or 2 as I open a new one. Because from what I understand, Burley ages very well. Matter of fact, I saw a little bit of bloom in my tin today. Just from the short time that it's been aging in its tin. I'm talking too much. Sweet Lord. So good. Tastes like barbecued mushrooms, mushroom jerky. Got dropped in the dirt. And I like that dirt too. It's good. Someone commented the other day on one of my videos. Told me I was tamping too much. That's why I had to keep relighting. The man who introduced me to the pipe taught me to keep a flat top to keep things insulated, keep the bowl from getting too hot. Also, as the bowl goes down evenly, creates an even cake. And that has worked for me for 15 years. So, I happily have to disagree. I think I was talking too much. And I also was smoking a fresh tin and did not dry it at all. But maybe I do tamp too much. I don't know. So much of my life I feel like I've been just trying to keep my head above water. And to be clear, things are not like that right now. If they were, I would have no right and be in no position to have as many tins of tobacco as I do. Which is not a ton, but certainly a few. To have several pipes. But I think when things go wrong and affect me financially, the way this refrigerator snafu did, I am reminded of those times when I was just barely getting by. and that does not feel good. And even though I'm more comfortable than I used to be, I'm not nearly comfortable enough by my estimation. I know where I would like to be, and I'm not there. Not yet. One day, I'd like to be somewhere quiet, truly quiet. I would like to have a small garden with vegetables and herbs that I eat and give to some of the neighbors. I'd like to have at least one fruit tree. And I would like to be free of debt, other than a mortgage. But I'd like to have a mortgage. Sometimes it feels impossible. But I need to maintain that it's not impossible. Because that sort of thinking does not serve me. My friend Mallory said that things have been interesting in her life lately. And I have not had a chance to catch up with her. And I think I'd like to hear about that. So I'm going to leave you now. Try to give her a call. But thanks for hanging out and listening to me complain about my fridge.